This is going to be a video review of the ORIA Indoor Temperature and Humidity Monitor. If you watch my channel, you're probably wondering what in the world is he doing with a review of this indoor temperature and humidity monitor when he already posted one just a month or so ago. Why? This product is so awesome. I bought one for my mom so she can have it at her house. And yes, it is really 80 degrees indoors in Los Angeles during the winter. So let me go do an unboxing and show you what's going on here. Let's take this out of the box. And if you watch my video reviews online, I've got a whole bunch of products that I review when I get them. So if you're interested, let me know. I'll get you the link. And I've already done a review of this, but so it's not going to be that hard for me to show you what this is all about. It's got a built-in stand. If you want to stand it up, which I do, it has a lever over there that you press to insert your batteries. This uses 2 AAA batteries that are not included. And I'm assuming these things will last a long, long time. It has a switch for Celsius and Fahrenheit. There's Celsius, there's Fahrenheit. So I think it said something like 1% accuracy. It's really hard to find something like this at a reasonable price nowadays that actually works and gives you good information. So I'm really happy that I bought this, and again, that's why I am doing this review. I bought one for my mom, so we can compare the two. I've been kind of messing around. My hands are around here, so the temperature changed, but we got 80.7 on the right and 80.5 on the left. Very close, 46 and 49% humidity. The humidity takes a while, for probably a couple minutes, for it to really stabilize before you get readings. Okay, we've got the minimum 79.4, 79.9 over here, 47.45. So what this gives you is gives you the temperature. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Gives you the temperature with Fahrenheit or Celsius. It gives you the relative humidity. Down at the bottom, it's got a color thing for dry, okay, or wet, depending on what the humidity is. It's got a minimum over here on the right and maximum reading for humidity, and a minimum and maximum for the temperature. And on the back, there's a little button over there. You can put a paper clip in there and press it, and it will clear and reset the minimum and maximum. And then right over on the top, I think you can see it, it's got this little marking over here, so when the number is going up, yeah, there it is. When the number is going up, it will point upward. When the number is stable, this line will stay that way. When the number is going down, it will point downward, and it does that for the temperature. So this, again, this is my second one in a couple months, because it's really a nice thing. And I brought it over to my mom's house, and she loved it, and she said, get me one. So that's what I did. I bought one for her. And I totally recommend it. Hey, if you have anything you want me to review, let me know. If I can do it, I will. If you're watching this on the other thing, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, or a like to my channel. And if you want to help me out, ask for my PayPal info so you can leave a donation. Appreciate it. Definitely a really nice product.